I guess you wonder where I've been.
A little $4 for 4. If I can play in the runs, it's not good runs, bro. I can play in these, bro.
These niggas don't listen, bro. They hard ass niggas. You know what they say about that hard ass? They hard. Everybody getting them a little China brand deal.
Talking about China brand deal. That bitch. It's recording right now, right? Come on.
Hey, that nigga said behind the back. I said, oh shit.
That's how he got beat. He made beat.
Had to get that last step, Mark. Had to get that. Had to.
Can I see a bucket?
Stop, James. Come on, Chase. Chicken. Yo, when you get back on the court?
Shut dumb ass up, nigga. Nigga.
Stop, Chase. Come on, Chase. I need to help Chase. Chase is closed right now. I think Chase is closed right now. It's after hours. I don't think Chase will take Coney's degree. What you got for me? Let's go. Shoot again. 3-2. Hey, I might put that nigga in the room. This nigga fucking something. Fuck.
Rebound, y'all. What you doing? Real bucket. Shit, weak. What's wrong with this?
Losing. What we doing? What we doing? You know, hey, Reese, move, nigga.
I don't run, nigga. What you talking about, nigga? You better shut the fuck up, nigga. Yeah, I see you, gang. It's right. And it's on, nigga. It's fucking on, nigga.
Oh, y'all niggas pussy, fuck y'all. That 10 what? That's a great game. Hey, I got your face.
Nah, bro.
Better jump that shit. Jump it again. Jump it again. Jump that shit again on that ass. Easy. Watch your back. Watch your back.
Don't worry. What the fuck you wrong with that nigga, man? Yeah, first fucking game in that layup right there. I came down here, shot 2 twos in his mid. That's 4-2. Let's do it. Nobody else scored.
It's 4-2, bro.
4-2. Because he on airball.
Damn, hold on. Is it because we won?
Airball what? He airball. He
No, we missed both shots.
He got rebound. Hey, B, you got 3. You got 3. I'll try to come across the top.
Oh, that was on me, so I don't remember. If it was on me, I don't remember.
5-7. 5-7.
Nigga.
Put it all down.
I got one for you. I pop one.
Hey! That's all we got ready. Fuck, nigga.
Fucking that time out, nigga.
Oh, don't do that, nigga. You know I'm the corner back. Yeah.
What's your first point, man?
Hey, G, straight ball. Got it.
Right back to that. Oh, yeah. Yeah, okay.
One more. That's all you got, bro. Look at that.
I got more, B. That's what I'm talking about, nigga. Pull that damn condom off your leg. 13 up. Yeah, 13 up. Screen.
Oh my God.
Get that nigga up out of here, man. Get that nigga up out of here.
Step do-rag.